right, so this is lab number 4, doing the plasticity. So here we have my bag of clay, my bowl. So first I'm gonna go ahead and put the bowl on the scale. Now we're gonna tare it. Let it go down to 0. All right, and then I'll start the measuring process right now. All right, so I put in the clay. It wasn't exactly 2 cups that was in that bag. It was a little bit less, but that's the clay in the bowl. And we've got 97 grams of water. So the next steps is gonna go ahead and be to get the mass of the clay, calculate the water content to go from 0 to 15, and then go from there. So for the first part, we've got our water content is equal to the mass of water over the mass of the solid. So we want a 15% water content. So we've got 97 grams of clay, and then we're gonna go ahead and multiply that by 15%. So we need 14.55 grams to get up to 15% water content. All right, so here is the first addition of water to make it 15% of the water content. All right, so after the first 15%, which was 14.55 grams of water, it looks normal. There's a couple of like solid chunks in there, but I'm gonna go ahead and start adding 5% by 5% now, which is around 5 grams of water every time. That is with another 5% added, now at 20 grams of water total. Here's another 5% added, and it looks like there's some chunks forming in there. This is now a total of 20% or 20 grams of water added. So this is about 40 grams of water added in there, and it looks all pretty clumped up. And I've been mixing it just to see what it's looking like. So we're at about 40 grams of water added. This is about 55 water content percentage, and it's starting to get, it was very thick. It's still very thick, but it's starting to water out as I'm mixing it. So here we are at about 68%, almost 70% water content. As you can see, it's starting to get a lot more creamy. It's not as, thick and difficult to mix, and it's starting to water down. So this is at about 82% of water content, and now it's definitely looking pretty toothpastey. You could brush your teeth with this if you like it, a little thicker. If I add more water, it'll definitely get to that toothpaste-like consistency.